Hi, Eddie's Kitchen 친구분들. Do you know what kind of food you can make with Korean sweet potatoes? These cheese sticks are one of them. They're very delicious, so I want to share the recipe with you today. Prepare about 2 small-sized sweet potatoes. It is important to get the firm texture Korean sweet potatoes for this recipe. Wash them good, then I will steam them in my pressure cooker. It is nice to use this metal steamer, so put the steamer in your pressure cooker or pot and pour some water in it. Place the sweet potatoes in the steamer and close the lid. It took about 20 minutes total for me to finish cooking my sweet potatoes with this pressure cooker, but it takes over 45 minutes when you steam them in a pot. 20 minutes later, I poke the cooked sweet potatoes with a fork. If the fork goes in smoothly like this, they are done. Peel the skin off the sweet potatoes, 고구마, and mash them with a potato masher or a fork. Then add the whipping cream or milk, 우유, butter, sugar, 설탕, and salt, 소금, to the sweet potato. This is a little tricky, so if you have a soft and mushy texture sweet potato, you need to skip the whipping cream and milk in this step. Divide the sweet potatoes into 12 portions. Prepare the mozzarella sticks and cut the cheese in half. To get nice crispy cheese sticks, we need these 3 ingredients. So prepare all-purpose flour, 밀가루, the egg, 달걀, and the Korean breadcrumbs, 빵가루, in a separate bowl. Before working on the sweet potato paste, get a generous amount of flour on your hands and a cutting board. Take a portion of the sweet potato paste and put some flour on the surface and flatten it in your hands like this. When it becomes slightly bigger than the cheese stick, put 1 piece of cheese in the center. Wrap the sweet potato around the cheese and seal it well. Make sure that all the cheese is covered evenly with the sweet potato paste, otherwise the cheese might come out later when you fry it. Coat the sweet potato covered cheese with some flour, then cover it with the egg mixture next, and finally coat it with some breadcrumbs. Gently press it so that it will get a lot of breadcrumbs on it. Use the same process for the rest of the cheese sticks. When you have about half of them done, start to preheat the cooking oil to deep frying them on medium-high. I'll fry half of the cheese sticks. Here, in every few seconds, roll them around so that they will cook evenly. It will take about 3 minutes of frying before they are nicely golden brown. After 3 minutes, take them out of the oil and set them on a paper towel to remove some of the grease. Serve the sweet potato cheese sticks with either pizza sauce or ketchup. The sweet and creamy paste along with the melted salty cheese and crispy breadcrumbs make this food so amazing. Try it someday. Eat delicious Korean food this coming week and share your story with me on YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!